Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So recently underneath one of my YouTube videos I was asked, how do you handle taxes and how do you handle insurances as a digital nomad, as a basically full-time traveler? So I'm gonna answer this, and it's important to understand I'm a resident of Germany, yeah, so I have to pay taxes in Germany. I'm registered in Germany. Everything I do is registered in Germany. So for the tax part, this is nothing really special. So I'm just registered in Germany and this is how it works, yeah? But for the insurance part, this is a bit trickier because obviously this doesn't just mean, okay, you tax something or you send invoices, but this actually means you are insured for something abroad, yeah? So you want to be covered if you travel full time, you want to have a travel insurance. And now actually, fun fact, up until recently I didn't even have a travel insurance, yeah. I traveled to 50 countries or so without having a travel insurance. So hands down, you don't need a travel insurance. By the way, for all the things that are mandatory in Germany for insurances, I'm with this family insurance thing. I don't really know exactly how it works, to be honest. It's this family thing. But what I have, which is kind of special, is I have additional insurance coverage, but not because I decided to pay for insurances. As I said, I didn't even have a travel insurance up until recently, but because I switched to N26 to the bank. And in fact, I'm going to put the link into the description because I really love this bank. They literally have the slogan, the first bank you'll love, and I absolutely love them. And the reason for this is because they have this program called N26 Business U, which is basically their premium plan, but not the most advanced premium plan, yeah. So it's the mid tier, and it's $10 a month for your bank account basically, but you get so many benefits that far outweigh the amount that you have to pay, which is 10 euros every month. So if I click here, I'm on the N26 website right now. You see all the benefits. So, okay, you have stuff like spending statistics and stuff. And I think this shouldn't be a premium feature. This should be available to everyone, basically. But you get partner discounts with companies in the end. You get up to 10 sub-accounts if you want to manage your money in Spaces, which is the best thing. I'm gonna film a whole different video about Spaces. This is probably the reason why I would recommend N26 over anything else, because you can, for free in the end, with this business plan, you can keep your money safe wherever you go. You can just put all your money into Spaces and you're going to be completely safe even if your credit card or anything gets stolen, yeah? So this is an amazing feature. You get some cash back, although 0.1% really isn't so much. On the biggest plan, you get 0.5%, which is actually quite a bit. And then one of the most, if not the most important feature as a digital nomad is fee-free withdrawals worldwide. This does not include ATM fees, yeah? So the ATM of whichever bank sets up the ATM is still allowed to charge fees on the ATM. But most banks then on top of this charge a conversion rate. And you don't have this. You get the real market price with N26 and you don't have to pay any fees when getting money out, no matter where you are on this planet, which is pretty amazing, to be honest. You get free payments worldwide. So if I do a bank transfer to somewhere, no fees. Here you can see get the real exchange rate, no hidden fees, unlimited free withdrawals, which is so amazing. If I'm here in Germany, wherever, I can literally, without any fee, I can get a free cash withdrawal. So that's so cool. And now the point that I want to highlight in this video, travel insurance, because through N26, through the Business U membership, I get the travel insurance. And if I click on it, here you can see all the benefits that I get with the travel insurance. I get medical expenses abroad, luggage delay, luggage loss and theft, flight delay, travel cancellation, shared mobility and damage and theft, winter sports. Winter sports is for accidents if you're skiing. Travel cancellation makes sense if you're ill or so. Flight delay if your flight is delayed for more than 4 hours. Keep in mind, some of these you can have even without being insured, like flight delay. It's the official right for you as a passenger to get money back and to get, in fact, a fixed amount once your flight is delayed over 4 hours. Now, this barely happens, to be honest. It happened to me twice. And yeah, I think at least once we got the money. But then you have to do it through some third-party website where you basically put in the details of your flight. You need to send your boarding passes in. It takes quite a while, the process, to like fill the documents out. But then in the end, we got like 200 euros each or so, even if the flight itself was like 20 euros per person. So you get this fixed amount depending on the region that you're flying with. Yeah, so if you fly like transatlantic, you might get as much as like 600 euros back. But with the insurance that I have now, I don't have to go through this tedious process of putting in all the information on a third-party website, like I think, what was it called, like flight refund, I don't know, whatever. They also take nifty fees, yeah. So keep this in mind. They will charge you like a 25 to 30% fee of what you get. It's still a lot of money then that you get for your refund, but it's a big chunk of money that these third-party companies take. So now with the thing, which is actually covered by Allianz, so N26 partnered up with Allianz, which is a German insurance from Bavaria. So now if I ever have a big flight delay again, I can literally just submit it via N26, and it's extremely simple. Luggage loss and theft, this is amazing because this is what, a travel insurance is normally good for. And as I said, I didn't have one before. And now for 10 euros a month, I not only have an amazing bank account with crazy features, but I also have this this travel insurance. Medical expenses abroad is probably one of the best features in here. It in fact has, by the way, I zoomed in so you don't see my membership number, like for my thing, so I had to zoom in so you don't see this. But here you can see medical expenses abroad, up to 1 million euros cover for your emergency medical hospital costs while traveling outside, blah, 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 blah. And this includes if you're diagnosed with an epidemic or pandemic disease such as COVID-19. So if I get COVID while traveling abroad, let's say I get COVID somewhere in Africa and I need hospital treatment, and it can be really pricey to stay in hospital, guys. So up to 1 million euros of coverage is a great thing to have as a resource. If I get COVID somewhere, I can say, hey, Allianz, I got COVID while traveling, blah, blah, blah. I know that for some of these claims, like with the flight delay, for example, you have to prove that you paid the flight with your N26 account. But that for me doesn't matter. I normally pay my flights with my card, and I just have it saved as like my primary payment method for everything anyway. So if this is a condition, I don't care. If you do want to make use of these insurances, then make sure that you also pay and use your N26. Yeah, don't just get it for the insurance and use your normal bank account, because otherwise some of the insurance things might not work. So just keep this in mind. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this answered the question how I handle travel insurances. So I have the N26 travel insurance with Allianz and nothing more, and I only have it because I'm with N26. And guys, especially for you, I'm gonna put a link into the description where you get 50 euros if you sign up for N26. So how this works is you click the link, the referral link, it will say like you've been invited by someone to N26, you sign up for N26, you just do the setup process. It shouldn't take longer than 10 minutes. And once you spend 50 euros or more with this bank account, you will get 50 euros credited from N26. So it's basically going to Amazon, paying for something that's like 50 euros or so, and literally getting it for free. So guys, you should totally do this. It's really worth it. So guys, if you want to go shopping for free, then sign up with my sign up link and you can get literally 50 euros for free from N26. So check out the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Luca. I'm the German travel guy. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.